Welcome to Numbers to 1 million. This is a Year 6 place value unit. What numbers are represented in each place value chart? Let's count our columns to see what number we're dealing with. We've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. It's a 6-digit number. Let's count our counters. We have 7, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2, 735,000, thousands are separated by a comma, 142. Pause this video now to attempt the rest of the questions. Answers will follow shortly. We've got nothing in our 100,000 column, so this has now become a 5-digit number. So we've got 64,000, no hundreds, 3 tens, no ones. We've put our place value holder, the 0 in. Again, 200,000, no 10,000s, 5,000, 600, no 10s, and 9 ones. No hundreds, 2 10s, no ones. Again, it's the same place value chart. They've just made it easier for us to see our ones and now our thousands. So we now need to separate this by a comma. We haven't got any 100,000s, only 10,000. No hundreds. No 10,000s. No ones. And then we've got 500,000, no 10,000s or thousands, no hundreds, tens, and 4 ones. What's the same and different about the place value charts? Well, they all have the same place value columns, but the second chart made it much easier for me to see my thousands and separate them from my ones. Make each number in a place value chart so we can put our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Then I like to start from the back. So I've got 5 ones, got 2 tens, 6 hundreds, 5,000s, no 10,000s, but 200,000. Pause this video now to try and make your numbers on a place value chart. You can draw it down on some paper. Circle any numbers that have 3 in the thousands column. So we really need to start at the back and count our way up. So we've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It's always the 4th digit from the back. That's a 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That's a 0, so it's not that one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That's a 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It's this number that has a 3 in the thousands column. Write 3 more numbers that have 3 in the thousands column. So we know it's the 4th digit from the back, so we put a 3 in there already. So you can have 321. You can have a larger number. So we still have 3. You can have 603,000 and then 900. Or you could have 43,802. They all have 3 in the thousands column. Write the value of 6 in each number. Read the numbers out because this is really helpful to you. So 654, I can hear a 600. 7,609, again 600, 6,812, that's 6,000, 605,000, that's 600,000, 245,906, 806,000, we've got 6,000 there, aren't we? Complete the number sentences. Now this is partitioning your numbers. So we've got 630,520. So we've got 600,000. We've got another 30,000. Now my thousands are done. 500's already done, and 20. So our second number is 700,987. Let's write our 700,000 here. Then you've got 900, 80 and 7. And then for this last one, let's read the number together, separate our thousands and hundreds, tens and ones. So we've got 500,000 and 4,000. That's 504,000. 703. For our last question, it's a bit of problem solving. Tiny is thinking of a 6-digit number. Let's start by making 6 lines then. Okay, let's separate that because it's a thousands number. It's an even number. The smallest digit has the smallest value. The greatest digit has the greatest value. The total of the first and last digit is 10. This is my last and that's my first. The total of the hundreds, tens and ones digit is 10. The two middle digits are the same and the digit sum is 25. So if we add all the numbers together, we'll end up getting 25. I'm going to start with some of the clues. I'm going to first start with this clue. The total of the first and last digit is 10 and the number is an even number, which means it can only end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. I can't use 0 because the first number can't be 10. They have to add up together. So what I am going to have is 2 instead, which is the next smallest even number, which means the largest number becomes 8 and they add up together to give me 10. The next clue I'm going to focus on are the two middle digits. They have to be the same. So let's find the middle digits. Be these two in the middle. And I'm going to go for the number 3, let's say. Okay. Now I'm going to focus on my next clue, which is the total of the hundreds, tens and ones digit is 10. Here are my hundreds, tens and ones, which then means already have 5, which means this must be 5 to make it 10. 3 add 2 is 5, 5 add 5 is 10, so that's true as well now. And now we've already had a look at these two. The smallest digit has the smallest value and the greatest digit has the greatest value. Now altogether, all these digits must add up to 25. But let's start by adding up our digits, and we have 8 add 2 makes 10, 10 add 5 is 15, 15 add 3 is 18, 18 add 3 is 21. I need 25, which means this must be a 4. And now you've solved it. Well done.